Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share current land prices in Hyderabad by area wise. The black color circle is proposed regional ring road. East, west, south and north directions of Hyderabad are highlighted for easy understanding. Before we get into this video, I request everyone, please watch this video till the end for my conclusion and also subscribe to this channel for more videos. Please note that all the prices are given in a per square yard. Given prices are approximate prices for your knowledge purpose. There may be a chance of 10 to 15% variance of these prices in the market based on the road access, locality and government approvals. Please inquire the current price with the local people and verify all the approvals before buying any land. Let us see the East Zone first. East Zone has two primary highways. One is Vijayawada Highway and second one is Warangal Highway. On Vijayawada Highway, after ORR exit near to Ramoji Film City, the approximate price range is between 12,000 to 14,000 per square yard. If you go further on Vijayawada Highway, the next spot is Chotupal. Here the price range is between 7,000 to 8,000 per square yard. Next, we will see the Warangal Highway. It has a multiple real estate spots. On Warangal Highway, inside ORR, approximate price range is between 25,000 to 30,000. After ORR exit at Gatkesari, the price range here is between 12,000 to 15,000 per square yard. If you go further, next location is BB Nagar. Here the approximate price range is between 9,000 to 13,000. Next spot is Yadagiri Gutta or Yadadri. The current price range here is between 7,000 to 12,000 per square yard. Second one is West Zone, which is always expensive in Hyderabad. Mumbai Highway plays major role in West Zone. Now let us look at the prices in Mumbai Highway after Patancheru. Muttangi and Isnapur areas are very close to ORR exit 3. The approximate price range here is 25,000 to 35,000 per square yard. If you continue on ORR service road, there is a place called Indresam. Here plotting and villa projects are going on. The current price range is between 25,000 to 35,000 per square yard. Coming back to Mumbai Highway, after Muttangi and Isnapur, Rudraram, IIT Kandi and Sangareddy are real estate spots. Here the approximate price range is 20,000 to 22,000 per square yard. Next area is Sadashupet. The approximate price range here is 10,000 to 15,000 per square yard. After Sadashupet, next area is Budera. Here the price range is between 8,000 to 12,000 per square yard. After Mumbai Highway, next popular location in West Zone is Shankarpalli. I am sure you might have heard about Golden Triangle. It covers between Patancheru, Shankarpalli and Kokopet. And Kolluru, Mokila, Banur and Velimula comes under this triangle. Top real estate builders are coming up with the villas, high-rise apartments in this location. Approximate price between 25,000 to 45,000. Mokila and Kolluru have the highest price around 45,000 per square yard. After Shankarpalli towards Mehtab Khan Goda, approximate price range is 10,000 to 15,000 per yard. After Mehtab Khan Goda towards Muminpet, approximate price range is between 5,000 to 8,000 per square yard. After Mehtab Khan Goda towards Nawabpet, approximate price range is between 8,000 to 10,000 per yard. Next area is Chevella and Vikarabad. After crossing Chilkuru Balaji Temple and Trivuluvan area, next real estate spot is Chevella. The current price range is approximate between 10,000 to 15,000 per square yard. After Chevilla, the next one is Vikarabad. Here the price range is between 8,000 to 10,000 per square yard. Next zone is North Zone. It has Nizamabad and Narsapur highways. It covers Kompalli, Medchal, Shamirpet and Dindigal areas. The current price in Kompalli surroundings is between 25,000 to 45,000 per square yard. Medchal prices are between 25,000 to 30,000 per yard. Shamirpet is approximately between 15,000 to 20,000 per yard. And Dundigal area is approximately 20,000 to 30,000 per square yard. The last zone is South Zone. It covers Bangalore Highway, Sriselma Highway and Sagar Highway. On Bangalore Highway, after 111 Geo belt, The first real estate spot is Kottur. The current price here is between 15,000 to 20,000 per square yard. Next location on Bangalore Highway is Shadnagar. Here the price range is between 10,000 to 15,000. Next highway is Srisalam Highway. ORR is crossing at Tukuguda. It is close to airport also. The current price here is 20,000 to 30,000 per square yard. Next is Maheshwaram. We can see Maheshwaram come on Srisalam Highway. The price range here is between 15,000 to 20,000 per square yard. Mansanpalli Crossroads, the average price here is between 10,000 to 15,000 per square yard. Next real estate location is Kandakur on Srisalam Highway, which is close to Pharma City. The average price here is 15,000 to 18,000. Next highway is Nagarjun Sagar Highway. Between Srisalam Highway and Nagarjun Sagar Highway, we have Adipatla. The current price range here is between 25,000 to 35,000 per square yard. Next real estate spot is Ibrahimpatnam on Sagar Highway. Here the price range is between 15,000 to 18,000. Now, after Ibrahimpatnam, next location is Acharam. It is very close to Pharma City. Here the price range is between 10,000 to 12,000 per square yard. I hope now you got the current prices across the Hyderabad. My conclusion here is, based on your budget, you can consider blue color highlighted area excluding 111 GO land for investment. I strongly recommend please take your friends or real estate experts advice before investing in any area. Blue color area starts from Sangareddy, IIT Kandi, Muttangi, then Shankarapalli, Chevella, Shamshabad, Kotturu, Maheshwaram till Tukugoda. It has many advantages, like it is close to, this area is close to Gachibowli financial district, near to airport, outer ring road with the 4 lanes of service road, proposed phase 2 metro train. There are 8 to 10 SEZs for huge employment. Existing TCS Adipatla also there, aerospace, Amazon data center, Pharma City, and other electronic SEZs are there. If your budget is 50 lakhs, then go for Patancheru, Shankarpalli, and Kokopede Triangle. If your budget is around 40 lakhs, I think then go for Mumbai Highway near to Rudraram, IIT Kandi, Sangareddy area. If your budget is around 20 to 30 lakhs, then go for Peddagolkonda and Tukugoda locations for long-term huge returns. I think I covered all the locations. With this, I will end this video. Hope you like this content. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.